Hi everyone, this is Harim here and you're watching HEC. We are going to talk about the biggest the biggest problem for the people, and that is the difference between in, on and at. The very clear difference among all these words, among all these prepositions is in for the biggest thing, on for the second number, and at the smallest thing. For time and place, we use these two prepositions for time and place. When you talk about time, you say in century, in year, in month. And for the other timings, for the timings of the day, we say in the morning, in afternoon, and in the evening. For on for days and dates. On Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday, on 6th of November, on 6th of November, on 6th of November, 6th November, and at is for the sake of timing, at 10 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, at noon, and at night. For if we talk about place, whenever we talk about the biggest thing, for example, continent, for the city, for the country, for province, we say in London, in England, in Europe, and at the same time when we talk about on for the second big thing, and that is on the street, on Sesame Street, on Hope Street, on Trade Street, or on river, or on the island. And at for the smallest, for the pivotal point of something, you can say the name of the address. For example, Beacon House. Beacon House is the name of the building. You can talk about, you can use at with Beacon House, on Sesame Street in London. This is the difference among all these particular prepositions. Thank you very much.